but at the time I didn't have the funds or the resources to actually purchase one. And this was back in 2015.
What made you decide to start your own 3D printing company?
I kind of fell into it because when I was living in Colorado, I had some older gentlemen that I hung around, and they would always mention 3D printing. But at the time, I didn't have the funds or the resources to actually purchase one. And this was back in 2015.
Oh,
Yeah. So it was about 4 years ago when I first heard it. By the time I moved back to Ohio in 2017, that was when I decided that I wanted to just try something new, because I had been doing software development for so many years, and I felt like I just was getting kind of stagnant. So I just bought a 3D printer and just started practicing with it, and then I fell in love with it at that point.
nice. What 3D printer did you start with?
I started with a FlashForge Creator Pro.
Flashboard Pro.
Yep.
At school, where I used to go to school, we had a whole 3D printing part of the makerspace, and my favorite when I was doing projects was the Creality Ender 3.
Oh yeah. I have that one too as well. That's my second printer.
Yeah. When I was at school, I did some really nerdy 3D printing projects. I played some Dungeons and Dragons and all that, and I would print some orc figures to what's on table now.
Yeah, that's cool though. Yeah, you get your feet wet somehow. That's good.
Yeah. So I guess that's why I chose to be the guy to interview, because I've done a bit of 3D printing on my own.
Got you. Okay.